money my husband kept for Nigeria vanished after his death. Maryam Abacha. The wife of the late head of state, Sani Abacha.
She's making a point because she's aware of how much the money was kept there. So who touched the money? Because
if you look at Abacha, look at the economy under Abacha, look at things where he do.
A lot happened.
You will understand that this man, I don't know why people suddenly just see him as devil. When we have a Gowan, we have a Buhari, we have a Abdulsalam, we have Babangida, we have Obasanjo, who have been military head of state, the same thing.
She should give us more detail. Not that we want to do anything about it, but let us be aware that there is money somewhere that is for Nigeria. You know, she says Nigerian money. She knows it's not their family money. That it have gone, and the government can only give that money to government. The government of another country cannot give that money to a personal person. Which government take this money? Let her give us more detail.
No. I agree, say this man, they corrupt. In fact, in time, top 3 most corrupt for Africa.
Rated by according to the West.
According to which
according to the West.
Allow me talk now.
Your husband died. So if we want to talk, say keep for Nigeria. So if we are taking it by that limit, keep him for Nigeria. He disappeared after your husband died. So let's focus on who disappeared.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.